bule ini langsung kaget lihat Lombok. Mereka bilang tempat ini seperti surga tersembunyi di Indonesia. Pantainya indah banget sampai bikin mereka gak percaya. Bahkan sunset di sana katanya salah satu yang terbaik yang pernah mereka lihat.
At first it was all about taking it slow and steady, but it didn't take long for everyone to find their feet. Before we knew it, we were zooming across the island, the wind in our faces, on our way to our first stop. Okay, so for our first stop, we've arrived at the Sade village, which is apparently an indigenous village of the people who live here in Lombok. So we're hoping to learn a little
Setelah
bit
itu, pasangan bule dan rombongan pun lanjut berangkat naik motor bersama pemandu mereka. Mereka kemudian sampai di Desa Sade, desa tradisional yang masih menjaga budaya asli Lombok sampai sekarang.
But the guys just told us it's 50,000 per person to be shown around for like parking, a guide, entrance fee. It seems like a nice guy called Eddie as well, which is not what I expected his name to be.
Sambil menjelajahi Desa Sade, si bule cowok mulai bercerita. Katanya mereka dikenakan biaya sekitar Rp50.000 per orang untuk diajak berkeliling desa. Biaya itu sudah termasuk parkir, pemandu, dan lainnya. Mereka juga ditemani pria baik bernama Eddie yang menjelaskan banyak hal tentang budaya suku Sasak.
So they do that a lot. The man can love the woman, but it doesn't matter if the woman loves the man. But they still do that tradition to this day now. We're just wandering around now, hearing about all of the local life, which is nice to hear about. To understand the culture here. This is a traditional house and there's 150 of them in the village.
Selama berkeliling Desa Sade, pasangan bule ini terlihat sangat penasaran dengan kehidupan masyarakat di sana. Mereka jadi banyak mendengar cerita tentang tradisi dan budaya suku Sasak yang masih dijaga sampai sekarang. Menurut mereka suasana desa ini terasa unik karena kehidupan warganya masih sangat tradisional.
Thank you. That's okay. Thank you.
2 weeks, 2 weeks. One time in 2 weeks, we wash this one with the buffalo dung. Buffalo dung, like this one. Yeah.
You're gonna invite the new one if they come?
Yeah, I hope he come again.
Pasangan bule dan rombongan pun terus berkeliling Desa Sade. Mereka terlihat sangat takjub melihat suasana desa yang masih alami dan penuh budaya tradisional. Pengalaman di tempat itu juga terasa sangat berkesan bagi mereka.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright.
Well, that was the strangest drive ever. We ended up on a dual carriageway where we thought we were going to get blown off, and then we just driven through. It feels like a desert. It's very derelict. There's not anyone around, and the roads feel like very, I don't know, they don't feel normal, like loads of random turn-ins and like there's not an actual road.
Setelah puas berkeliling Desa Sade, pasangan bule dan rombongan pun lanjut menuju pantai dengan naik motor. Sesampainya di sana, mereka langsung disambut pemandangan pantai yang sangat indah dan suasana yang masih alami.
Some absolutely crystal clear water. Apparently this is the best beach kind of around the Kuta Lombok area that we're staying. So yeah, we're going to find out now.
Melihat pantai itu dari kejauhan saja sudah bikin pasangan bule ini kagum. Air lautnya terlihat sangat jernih dengan pemandangan yang masih alami. Mereka juga penasaran karena pantai ini disebut sebagai salah satu yang terbaik di kawasan Lombok.
Actually stunning. I'd say so far it's probably one of the nicest beaches that we've been to in Indonesia. Now granted we've just done like East Java, Bali, Lombok, but it's actually stunning and not too busy. A little hidden paradise, I'd say. So they do cold coconuts here. If you get a drink, he said the sunbeds are free.
Oh, good.
And we've got a beautiful look out into
Sesampainya di pantai, pasangan bule ini langsung dibuat kagum dengan pemandangannya. Menurut mereka tempat ini jadi salah satu pantai terbaik yang pernah mereka kunjungi di Indonesia. Suasananya juga masih sangat tenang dan tidak terlalu ramai, sampai mereka menyebut pantai ini seperti hidden paradise.
Will's buying a bracelet, but then two ladies have come over and they're like bargaining against each other, and he's saying that he won't buy one unless they make up and make a deal between themselves. Funny stuff like this happens on the beach all the time.
Sementara itu si bule cewek terlihat santai menikmati suasana pantai sambil rebahan di kursi pinggir pantai. Di dekat mereka, temannya yang bernama Willy juga sedang melihat-lihat gelang dan kerajinan tangan dari dua ibu penjual di sekitar pantai.
And then we've got surfers and boats out in the distance, and it's busy enough to have like an atmosphere, but it's not like so busy that it's like overrun it all. Like, it still has the charm of Indonesia here. And yeah, this is actually like...
You can't come to the beach without going in the sea, and the water here looks pretty inviting. What are you doing? Like Baywatch. Look at it. Like Baywatch here.
Sambil menerbangkan drone, si bule cewek terlihat menikmati pemandangan pantai dari kejauhan. Mereka juga melihat aktivitas para peselancar yang membuat suasana pantai terasa semakin menarik. Keindahan alam dan suasana khas Indonesia itu pun bikin mereka benar-benar terpesona.
It's probably the nicest water we've been in a while, isn't it?
Yeah.
Comes cruising in, so you can get water taxis out from the reef to go surfing. I think that's what that guy's done. He's just got like a lift back.
Yeah, that's how you do it.
Yeah, that's actually so cool.
The surf here is so far out that you have to get a boat taxi out there.
Setelah menikmati suasana pantai, mereka pun akhirnya turun ke laut untuk berenang. Airnya yang jernih dan ombaknya yang tenang bikin pasangan bule ini semakin betah menikmati pantai di Lombok.
Sand and get some nice traditional food at the beach.
Exactly.
It looks like there's some places up here though.
Yeah, there's quite a few cafes and restaurants all the way along here, isn't there? All right, let's go there.
Got myself in the
Keseruan pasangan bule ini di Lombok ternyata belum selesai sampai di sini. Masih banyak pengalaman seru dan tempat indah lainnya yang bakal mereka jelajahi di part berikutnya. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan bunyikan loncengnya supaya tidak ketinggalan cerita selanjutnya. Karena terkadang, keindahan bukan hanya tentang tempat yang dikunjungi, tapi tentang bagaimana sebuah perjalanan bisa meninggalkan kenangan yang sulit dilupakan.